So, welcome for Smart India Hackathon 2020. Problem statement MS338. And basically, the earlier statement was about text or typed document, and this is little more challenging when we have made it handwriting, because handling handwriting would be a more challenging issue than handling a typewritten or printed document. So this problem statement, it is dealing with the handwritten documents. So it may be a medical report by a doctor or any, even it could be a suicide note or whatever. So it could be a full document, it could be a page, it could be a few lines. So everything is a document basically. Uh, So, for the sake of just briefing, the problem statement says that converting handwritten document as a scanned image or photo in any format to the legible text document using extracting important and critical information into database. So, software should all formats of the handwritten document should convert them into a legible text. The analytical tools would be used to identify the critical information available on the document and would be stored along with the identity of the document crime number. Thus, with all the attributes of the crime through the primary key, identity of the document, authorship, and other attributes. Now that the information so retrieved, it will be used for the two purposes. Number one, for the investigation lead, and another purpose is the evidence. So, if it is evidence, then it has to do a little extra job, that who will be proving that document before the court of law. So that is one thing, and everything else will be that same. Basically, the document has to be uh, protected with the date, time, and location stamp. It will be logged with the hash value, and it will be protected through the blockchain technology. So when it is moving digitally from one place to another place, there is no distortion, there is no loss of integrity. That will be certified by the system by at the each movement level. So a properly vocal certificate would be created about its integrity, about its admissibility, right? So these are the legal requirement, because we do not want that the defense lawyer should be in position to dispute our evidence. Deepaji, is it clear?
जी सर.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I
एक
would.
question था sir. When this particular
Pardon me?
I was going to ask you, now once we convert this particular handwritten document as evidence or a filed FIR, and we are storing it with us in an electronic form, are we having any kind of security on it that it will not be forged once it is in electronic form? Because handwritten may, if it is forged, it can be captured. But electronic form, if we forge it, then we have got to make sure that thing is the proof is not tampered or anything. That provision should be made.
Deepaji, this pleasure will not be available with you. I will give the reason. Because when it will be captured, at that point of the time, it will be protected with the date, time, and location stamp, fully encrypted with the hash value. So even when the technology is available to play with it, you will not be having opportunity to use that technology to do that. I hope this point is understood.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, actually, when we are converting this handwritten document to text document, so for that we can take help of Google Lens and other technologies. So even Google Lens.
There is a loss of voice from your side, Dr. Pushpender ji.
that is main thing.
You have to repeat your question because there was a voice loss.
Just a minute, sir. Just.
Meanwhile, Rajesh ji, आप कुछ पूछ लीजिए so that we can really save them time.
I think everything is almost clear, sir. You have clarified the doubt which I was also thinking to ask. That is, Ms. Deepa Ganu has already asked.
Okay.
Sir, sorry. Actually, I have to leave. Sir, just if you will clarify that thing. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry for the interruption.
पुष्पेंद्र जी, थोड़ा सा आप अपना क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करेंगे क्या?
सर एक्चुअली गूगल लेंस एक टेक्नोलॉजी जो अपने पास अवेलेबल है, हम उसकी फोटो लेंगे और वो पूरा का पूरा टेक्स्ट जो रिटन टेक्स्ट है उसको कन्वर्ट कर देता है टाइप टेक्स्ट में. तो ये ऑलरेडी हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल है एंड उसकी जो एफिशिएंसी है एज ऑफ नाउ इज 65 to 70%. तो इवन कई बार हमें दिक्कत ये भी. सर यहाँ पे मेरे पास 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं. एक, उसकी एफिशिएंसी कम है. दूसरी, जब हम ये कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल है, तो हम एक और सॉफ्टवेयर पे जा रहे हैं अभी. जी सर, प्लीज आपके पास.
अच्छा, देखिए मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊं कि इस समय अभी आप सॉल्यूशन डिजाइनर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोच रहे हैं. जी. 1 मिनट आप जो है ना सॉल्यूशन डिजाइनर के सूट से बाहर निकलिए. नाउ यू शुड think from the point of view of evaluator.
Yes, sir.
Somebody else must have created solution. How you will evaluate it? That's the point, right?
Okay.
It is a grand panel. It has already undergone few processes, and now they have to prove that they have could come out with a successful solution, right? So here we are not designing solution. We presume that our team, they have already worked on it and they are having some ready-made solution, and they might look for some guidance or mentoring. We should be very open and we should help them in that. Here the old attitude जो होता है टीचर और स्टूडेंट का, टीचर जो है ना टेस्ट करता है अपने स्टूडेंट को. यहाँ पे टेस्टिंग जैसा कुछ नहीं. यहाँ पे how best we can help them or mentor them so that they can design the best solution which should be acceptable to us, and with their best effort also they will not be in position to come out with the perfect solution. That we have to understand, because there is a less of, they are not the police officer, their understanding about the many things may not be there. So if they could create a reasonable solution, then they will be working with us for some time, where we will be guiding them and for creation of a right kind of a solution, right? So basically we have to understand that also, because see, for me, I am having the experience of so many years, handle so many things, right? Now the same degree of proficiency cannot be expected and should not be expected from poor students. They are technocrats, and they may not be having the full understanding of all intricacies, right? So our job should be to help them out. Number one, here we have to really devise our strategy how to evaluate them, right? So what are the parameters of evaluation? Number one, first of all, the evidence is being captured by someone else through the Smart Investigation app and Smart Investigation support system. There will be 2 sources of the document. One source will be when it will be coming from investigating officer, because he seized it from during the process of investigation. Number one. The second would be when the document is in possession of some organization and we are requisitioning that document from them under the investigative authority of SHU. So there's a difference between the two, in which in one case he is already having the direct access to the document and he has seized it. In another case, the document is in the possession of some third party maybe registrar of a, or maybe cooperative registrar, or whoever the authority might be, and the document image will come to us. Here we are, since the law has changed, so now we are more interested not to seize original document, because the image is admissible as a secondary evidence under section 65B of Evidence Act, right? And it will be having same value once it is proved under section under certificate 65B. So the system would be generating that certificate, and then the document will be admissible to us, right? अब वो document आ गया है, the moment the document with us, हमारा सिस्टम उसको डेट, टाइम और लोकेशन के साथ जो है ना वहीं पे उसको इनक्रिप्ट करे, वहीं पे उसको लॉक करे, एंड then thereafter there is no opportunity for anybody to interfere with the integrity of it. So availability of the technology to basically manipulate, that is the one part of the story, but the opportunity to manipulate, that should not be existing, and that we should be, without even somebody asking about it, we will be creating absolute chain of our certificate, and which will, without even asking, that will be attached along with that evidence. So evidence we may not submit before the court, because if we are having too many evidences, we will not like to submit all evidences before the court. But whatever the certificate, they will be attached with that evidence, and when that evidence is submitted before the court, it will go along with the full package. So even if somebody not asking, still the certificate would be there. अभी क्या होता है कि generally defense lawyer will be challenging us, and then we are proving कि नहीं साहब ये तो जनून है, इसमें कोई गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ है, फलाना नहीं हुआ है. But here we will be having absolutely different strategy. तुम हमसे पूछो चाहे ना पूछो, हम तो आपको बताएंगे. Yes. So हमारा जो document है, it is a infallible evidence. आप इसको किसी तरीके से dispute करने की हम आपको opportunity नहीं देना चाहते हैं. This is one. Now the second challenge which we are having, that say handling a handwritten document is a more challenging situation than a typewritten or printed document, right? So then it will be converting into a text, and then that text should be converted into database. That is the one part of challenge. Second part of the challenge related ho sakta hai, there might be manipulation in that document. So creating that document for the expert, that is the second challenge, which I have not very emphatically mentioned, and I wish that they must see this our video briefing, so that they can also attend and apply their mind for this part, because the document may be with the authority, but it might have been manipulated, it might be a forged document, somebody might have done some manipulation. So we while handling it, our system can easily capture if there is some manipulation. So now, having that ability to capture that manipulation, and then preparing the document for the expert to give the opinion, that will be a real value addition. Let me admit, I think I should have mentioned these things in my problem statement. So that was a slip from my side. I must admit that. But I feel that we will be failing in our duty if we are not really preparing this for this kind of the things. Because if we will take that whatever the document is coming, वो Godfather ने बनाया हुआ है, so then we will be missing a very important part of it, and a criminal evidence. And then probably we will be helping out the person who has forged the document. So our backend engine जो है ना must जो है ना apply itself whether some forgery has been done. And when you are doing, yeah, please.
Sir, when you say about whether the forgery has been done, are you talking about when it enters into our system, or before the consumption of that particular document into our system?
Let's say this way, कि a document है, I have done some forgery in that, and then document जो है ना has been submitted to the authority, and it has formed the record of that authority. अब हमने रिक्विजिशन किया तो उसके पास चूंकि फोर्ज डिटेल है तो फोर्ज ही आएगा हमारे पास. यदि एज्यूम करिए कि हमने किसी थर्ड व्यक्ति को से हमने कहा कि दीपा जी ये है, जबकि दीपा जी वो है ही नहीं. अब किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति ने दीपा जी के सिग्नेचर कर दिए,
करेक्ट।
नाउ उस डॉक्यूमेंट में तो यदि हम उसको सही मान लेंगे तो वो दीपा जी के सिग्नेचर माने जाएंगे,
राइट।
बट इट इज ए फोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट बिकॉज दीपा जी ने तो वहां सिग्नेचर की नहीं, दीपा जी वाज नॉट देयर।
हाँ, तो वैलिडेशन कौन करेगा? हमारा सिस्टम करेगा कि हम जो डॉक्यूमेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उसको हम बाइबल मान के चलेंगे?
यस, दैट प्रिसाइजली आई एम सीइंग कि जब हमने पहले प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बनाया था इस डायमेंशन को हमने कहीं ना कहीं ओवरसाइट किया था। इसका मतलब है कि हमारा बैकएंड एआई जो है ना शुड वर्क फॉर इट कि इस डॉक्यूमेंट में सब चीज नॉर्मल दिख रही है या कुछ गड़बड़ दिख रही है, ठीक है ना। तो एक दो तरीके की चीजें होंगी, एक तो वो होगी जो सिस्टम खुद ही पकड़ लेगा, जैसे अज्यूम करिए कि मान लो उसमें ओवर राइटिंग हुई है या कुछ हुआ है या कुछ तरीका हुआ है, तो फिल्ट्रेशन और उसके समय वो सिस्टम ही खुद बता देगा कि इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ है, ठीक है ना। सेकंड ये है कि somebody has to challenge it। जैसे अज्यूम करिए कि अब हमने एक डॉक्यूमेंट में जिसमें दीपा जी के सिग्नेचर बताए जा रहे हैं, दीपा जी कहते हैं मेरे सिग्नेचर तो है नहीं, सो देन वी विल लर्न अबाउट इट बाय द चैलेंजिंग। तो ड्यूरिंग द इन्वेस्टिगेशन somebody may challenge कि दिस इज नॉट माय सिग्नेचर, दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज फोर्ज्ड, ये तो मेरी पिताजी की वसीयत है ही नहीं, ये वसीयत किसी ने फर्जी बनाई हुई है, या ये चीज गड़बड़ है, या ये चीज, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट वेरी श्योर। इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान वी कम आउट विद द वाइड रेंज ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, सो वी आर नॉट वेरी श्योर, इसकी रेंज बहुत है, बिकॉज द सिस्टम शुड बी इन पोजीशन टू बेसिकली हैंडल ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट। और चूंकि घपले और क्राइम किसी भी चीज में हो सकता है, सो पुलिस हैज टू हैंडल ऑल काइंड ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट। अब अज्यूम करिए कि आपके यहाँ पे किसी चीज का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो रहा है, आपका जो है ना इंस्टीट्यूशन का जो है रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ, अब उसमें कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन फोर्ज कर दी गई, राइट। अब अज्यूम करिए ऑनरशिप का डिस्प्यूट हो सकता है, फोर फादर ने कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन बनाया और हमने जो है ना उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ करके कुछ कर लिया। नाउ so different kind of document we have to encounter now, really I don't know because lot many question has not come to me, but how they are really handling the range of the document they have to encounter, then for each document it will require that some kind of the data format for the assimilation or extracting that information. So this itself will be a very important dimension कि what should be our database for structure, and that database structure should be now, पुराना जैसा तो सिस्टम रह नहीं गया है कि उसमें पहले क्या रहता था कि आपका नाम फिक्स है, स्पेस फिक्स है, नाउ एवरीथिंग इज मेलिएबल, तो कोई इशू नहीं है, बट एक ब्रॉड जो है फ्रेमवर्क तो हमको फिर भी रखना ही पड़ेगा, नंबर वन। नंबर टू, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन वुड बी सिटिंग एज ए इमेज, एंड देन जो डिस्प्यूटेड पार्ट है, यदि कुछ चीज डिस्प्यूटेड है उसमें, तो देन हाउ वी कैन प्रिपेयर दैट डॉक्यूमेंट सो दैट expert can play a role. We intend to create one expert app also. और हमारे इसमें बड़े खतरनाक इरादे हैं। हमारा इरादा ये है कि हम उसके जो माइक्रोस्कोप वगैरह है उसमें IoT डिवाइस से लेके we will extract the information which they will be doing right in our app. तो we will bring the transparency at their level also, and we are not going to leave them. Expert भी expert का जो है ना हेड पहन के कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं कर सकता है। So we are not going to allow even expert to do the hanky panky. तो आने वाले सिस्टम में किसी को भी हैंकी पैंकी करने की इजाजत नहीं होगी, ना पुलिस को, ना इसको, किसी को भी नहीं। इवन आगे चल के तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि इवन डिफेंस लॉयर को, प्रोसिक्यूशन को, किसी को भी हैंकी पैंकी करने का वो नहीं रहेगा। We are another project is going, not in the part of Smart India Hackathon, in which we are going for a distributed video based court trial. तो आने वाले समय में जो है कोर्ट में सभी लोग इकट्ठे नहीं होंगे, सो सबका अलग अलग होगा, एंड इट विल बी कैप्चरिंग दैट देयर फेस एक्सप्रेशन, इट विल बी कैप्चरिंग द बॉडी लैंग्वेज, देयर विल बी अ ड्रिल टू सर्टिफाई कि ये जो विटनेस है ही इज नॉट इन द थ्रेट ऑफ कोएर्शन. So there will be a broad protocol, and then that protocol will certify that yes, this witness is fit for the deposition of statement. जब वो डिपोजिशन के लिए फिट होगा और पैरेलल में n नंबर ऑफ द ट्रायल विल बी देयर, जैसे अभी अपन कर रहे हैं, हर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट की पैरेलल में प्लानिंग है, राइट. तो यदि मैं आपके साथ लेट हो जाऊंगा तो दूसरा वाला लेट हो जाएगा, बट जज साहब जैसे मैं निकल के फट से आपके उसमें आ गया हूँ, ऐसे जज साहब निकल के फट से दूसरे उसमें चले जाएंगे, तो लॉट ऑफ डिले विल बी कट इन. And then we can have the different set of the supporting staff. तो हमारा जो disposal of the case है that will be very high. हम जो है जो डिफेंस लॉयर बहुत सारी गड़बड़ सड़बड़ करते हैं वो आगे चल के नहीं होने वाली है. तो anyway, that is not the basically within the domain of this problem statement.
That would be our dream India, sir.
I think
Agreed.
that dream is likely to be true. Let me tell you that, because there is no reason not to be true. क्योंकि we are absolutely on the right track. थोड़ी सी ज्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगी, थोड़ी सी ज्यादा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगी, थोड़ी सी एल्गोरिथम को और डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा, कुछ करेंगे, but we will certainly devise solutions.
We are definitely with you on this, sir.
Thank you very much. And मेरा तो ये नारा है कि हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
You have been working since many years on this, sir.
To be very frank, I started working when I was the DG Railway, and I felt that the passengers are at the receiving end. There's nobody to really help them out. How to report, to whom to report. थाने में जा रहे हैं तो वो कोई सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. So then we created one GRP help app. Then we created a pan-India GRP help app, not for Madhya Pradesh. Though I was the DG Railway Madhya Pradesh, right? Then we created an investigation support system. And now we have created a bouquet of the app, and very soon we are going to test them. Once that will happen, railway crime is the most complex, and we are saying we will detect all offenses. And it will be doable. I mean, I am having just no doubt about it कि कैसे होगा वो. मुझे वो road map is absolutely clear to me. जब हम रेलवे के बारे में कर रहे थे तो few of my friends said कि साहब जो है पुलिसिंग की तो और बुरी हालत है, तो why don't you really do for that? So वहाँ से जब हम रेलवे से शिफ्ट हुए तो I became the DG Home Guard, Civil Defence and Disaster Management. So then we created a model for the disaster resilient Madhya Pradesh. Luckily for the Madhya Pradesh police, or luckily for the police, I got transferred and I became the DG Police Reform. Then I said, now it is a right arena for me. And then I unfolded myself. And I am really grateful for all academic institutions, because today, now we have touched 49 universities. So now 49 universities, they are working with me. Today, more university joined me. So we are going at a very phenomenal speed. Still, I feel that my presence in South is relatively less. So I am very keen to go Bangalore side. I am very keen to go Chennai side. I had been there. I have addressed the IIT Chennai. I addressed the IIM also. But anyhow, we could not strike a node with them. Anyhow, we could not really strike a workable relationship with them. So, मेरा सिस्टम नीचे गिर गया. एक मिनट. Let me manage it. Something wrong has happened. Yeah.
Sir, we can hear you and see you properly. Not a problem at our end.
Okay. So no issue. So, एक minute. It should not fall again. Yeah, I think now it's okay. So we are working on that. Hopefully, we will have some relationship soon with. I am trying. Let's say BIT Bhopal is already our partner. Now
yes,
we are looking for the Belur campus also. We are looking for the Hyderabad campus also. BITS Pilani, they are our partner. Now we are looking for their other campuses as well. So
we'll be reaching south also, sir.
Pardon me?
We'll be reaching south also.
Sure. Because basically, when you are having the whole India as a part of your vision, then everybody has to really work together. And this is our country. Unless we can really, let me put it in my hand basically. So unless we are really working for the whole country, and since I have not limited myself for the crime-free India, we are talking of milk-rich India, we are talking of green, herbal, and all those kind of India. So we need to really involve all experts, not only IT expert. We have to go for the hardware creation, we have to go for the software creation, we have to go for the process creation, because we are talking of the performance appraisal. So we are talking a number of the things. We are talking of the job and services rich India. We are talking of machinery, equipment, tool-rich India. We are talking of the groundwater-rich India. And basically, unless we go in all those dimensions, we will not be in position to change the face and fate of this country. I am confident with the support of all of you, we will achieve this dream, and the Indian rate of growth will be above 25%, and probably not a 5 trillion economy. I am confident of achieving 15 trillion economy. We will be surpassing China. If we will get the right kind of the support, this is my promise to the nation.
Definitely, sir, we'll be reaching it.
Thank you. I hope case should not come in the category of boasting, because I really need a very wholehearted support. Ultimately, this is our country. It is our duty to design solutions. We cannot all the time work on the partisan line. We should not divide for the sake of power and those kind of the things. Somebody has to really think like a true nationalist.
Yes.
Because a time has gone when we are talking about the petty issues, we are talking of this, that. Probably the politics is not going in the right direction. I think we are having such a towering Prime Minister. He should help us out. So all the time I make a plea that please listen me, call me, because I have written a formal DO letter to Honorable Prime Minister, but I had to get a appointment from him. So all the time, whenever I am talking to anybody, I never forget to mention that please, Honorable Prime Minister, call me, because I am having something very important for the nation. Let's join hands to make it happen.
Sure, sir. We are in it with you.
Yeah.
Okay. So if there's no other question, then we can conclude this session. My request would be that since you are having the number of each other, you can plan out for your evaluation strategies, and you
Sure.
can convert that in a document and you can place it in a group, so that that would be available. And I really look forward that students should also watch it, so that they can understand our frame of reference, and if there's any communication gap, they should understand what is really expected of them.
Sir, just a note, wouldn't we be getting some guidelines from the SIH people also?
They will be sending you the training videos. They will be giving you lot many things. So one more request from my side, that please check that a document which I have given to them, there should be no mistake in that. So please check your email ID is proper, your mobile number is proper, because they are having no independent source of any information. So if there's any correction is required, please intimate in time, so that I can communicate to the HRD. Otherwise, they will keep on passing on to you, and probably you may not be getting their mail and things like that. But they will be sending you the detailed communication. They will be sending you the videos and everything. Please go through that very properly, and so that we should be comfortable. If some kind of the wrestle is possible, I request you to please do that, so that you should be not only positioned to do a reasonable job, but you should be comfortable with your process.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
तो पुष्पेंद्र जी, आई होप कि आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए हैं.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
चलिए. राजेश जी, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Yes, sir.
हम लोग अदरवाइज भी पार्टनर्स हैं, तो हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते ही हैं, कोई ऐसी बड़ी बात नहीं.
Actually, my mobile battery is going down, sir.
Yeah, so
my mobile battery is going down.
Conclude our session. So with a note of thanks to all of you, and I wish you all the best. Let's become the partner in a journey for having a new India. Let's change the face and fate of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, sir.